Technology advances really fast, adapting to the requirements of an increasingly demanding Industry 4.0. In order to remain competitive, it is key to stay up to date with the latest developments. Soldamatic is a state-of-the-art, turnkey, scalable, effective, and hyper-realistic welding training solution powered with augmented reality. Soldamatic allows improving the efficiency of your welding training program, certificating more welders in less time while reducing costs. This cutting-edge technology keeps advancing at a fast pace, and it continues improving constantly. Now you can take your welding to the next level thanks to Soldamatic Prime. Soldamatic Prime is a subscription which includes a set of services and benefits that are included in the advanced yearly licenses and that can be added on top of all lifetime licenses. It is the perfect way to keep your system always updated with the latest functionalities. Whether you are already a Soldamatic user or you are thinking of incorporating it into your training, Soldamatic Prime will give you access to different advantages, such as upgrading your license to Advanced Yearly. The Advanced license allows training for different verticals. Get ready for industry requirements with advanced welding multi-joints specifically designed for different industrial sectors like automotive, railway and heavy machinery, shipbuilding, or oil and gas. Advanced welders can train with specific advanced welding features like pulsed arc, open root, corner welding, 6GR position, and different schedules and tubes. In addition, with the Advanced license, you can choose different thicknesses, multiple welding beads, and different processes in the same welding joint. With Soldamatic Prime, you receive one advanced welding multi-joint, free software new release upgrades, and discounts on all upcoming hardware items. In addition to that, you will be able to access the International Welder Curricula and the Training Content Digitalization Service by a Soldamatic expert, as well as the cloud connectivity option. If you are thinking of incorporating Soldamatic into your training, make sure you are always up to date with the latest developments with the Soldamatic Prime subscription. So don't get obsolete and take your welding to the next level with Soldamatic Prime.